Alpha English High Secondary School. Kaway na school bapaw hakatha nyong po min nakasngi kalayo ban plie paidbah sunonia madan basketball ba paka ha phalau jong katay ka plie baki khenna kinyo ban kilan lamang pisa hadu sanlak Lyngba ka skhim SRWP. Ya katay ka madan ile kai lawan man plie paidbah luba Merrill Bonds MLA kanong po kumukong san ha ka jingnon lang KL marang JRDO umling CNR blong kakong WK bla principal PR Dr. KB Karbeteng, Vice Principal, kinoy kay lembat ki samla puli jong katay ka school. Ha katay ka jo kasngi, nakalyang khubor panyat school, kilapan ko buram ru, ya ki samla puli ki bala pas baha, ha ka examen SSLC, bat HSSLC mentaus nem, kabala wan ra nam bat buram ya ka school.
Suku ujung sang ne kini kubun, nakalyang ka school ru, kita kontribut lang nagpunta banyo ay kini komandan care kini tnad kani. Yang ikut di gerbang, nak bantah jom firu untuk school, nak baik official jom nongsynshar adi blok ru, nak dapat supervisi rekam, kam nak bantah di nak school di kijungi berpinjau bantuan kam dia kini komandan basketball hukum kada kini khubor pinjau tempat di ribbon nak bantah di paidbah mereka komandan basketball.
We have the cash prize for kiba seng scoring 9.
Knowledge. They instill us with values that will stay within us or be carried generation after generation forever. Talking about wisdom and knowledge, I would like, it always comes to me of the ideals imparted by our principal. Ma'am has every day, every single day during the assembly, she would always impart words of wisdom, words of knowledge. She was the one who held us. She was the one who pushed us past our limits, exposed and endowed us with ideas to make us refined human beings. I personally thank ma'am because she has provided a free education. I am truly indebted to ma'am.
Principal for the achievement that you have made this far, and also for the inaugural of the basketball ground. I remember when I was in school, we used to have that ordinary basketball ground, and we never had a chance to play because there were so many students who would chase after the ball, and we would always be the last one to get the ball, and we would always not get the opportunity to play basketball. But I guess now you have two basketball ground, and the newly inaugurated one is very beautiful, so to say. I would also like to thank the MLA because through the SRWP scheme, it has been possible to make this basketball ground a success. The SRWP schemes is a contribution to the school infrastructure, which will have an everlasting impact on our students' lives.
We should thank all concerned who have been part and parcel to shape your career where you are today. We must not forget the fact that we are all the creation of God. In the beginning, God has created this beautiful world, as I have said. A beautiful nature, a safe water to drink, a safe air to breathe, a sunlight to each and every one of us, education that we have achieved, the initiative taken by the state and the central government to ensure that educational system in our country, it will have the best facility as much as it can. Despite of several challenges that we have encountered in the past, even presently also. But I'm not wrong to say that the initiative and the endeavors started by the government to ensure for a quality education, despite of the challenges, it will be on the right track. That is our hope and aspiration as the people of the state. As one of the legislators elected by the people of this particular area, it is my responsibility to ensure that every school, be it in urban or rural area, that they should have a quality education. Dear students, we are here today to witness this beautiful program. Ngambakla ban ong bat ki dijing thau ki bogle ula thau kerpang. Bat man ka sngi habangidan ha pedeng jong gane ka hall. Ki bak kementam ha gane sngi. Ki digi kimi pa ki nong ikai ban mo ki kelas. Ngai ni ki kimi pa ki bade ki parlok ki jonga. Bagi curi tahu bang, ikun kijong pim khlieh bang, ipas bang, yo position, la pendan boram mana kesni, kadai kesni ke bak kementam, hadi cingim gitu. Imlang konsep, ya ki umat, ki benjam, lagi kemat. Nama harga cingkemen, abagi kun kiksiu kijungi khlieh like exam.